Aprilia officially unveiled the all-new entry-level super sport, the RS457. Powered by a new liquid-cooled, parallel twin-engine making around 46.9 horsepower, with a dry weight of 159 kilograms. The new engine is matched by a rigorous chassis which include an aluminum frame, as well as a load-bearing crankcase, similar to the one found in the RS660. Suspension duties are performed by a 41mm front fork in the rear monoshock, with both suspension components offering preload adjustability. For braking, a set of Bible brakes, front and rear, with a 320mm single brake disc up front and a 220mm disc in the back with dual-channel ABS. This bike rolls on a pair of 17-inch alloy wheels, which mounts 110/70 tires at the front and 150/60 at the rear. The electronics package of the RS457 is fully ride-by-wire and includes a 3-level traction control, plus-off, and 3 ride modes as standard. Other features include a full LED headlamp with integrated front turn signals, a 5-inch full-color TFT display, backlit handlebar controls, and an optional quick shifter.